was in the wrong way, so you gotta take the wheels off.
Wheels off?
Mm-hmm, because the back wheels go on the back, so we have to turn it around.
Watch it.
Go ahead.
Like you can climb that tree, but I can't. Wonder how I can do it?
Turn around.
Wonder how I just do it? Wonder how I climb without falling? Sure. Yes. Police department. I just want to look. Your mom said we can't do it, dude.
It's gotta have some wheels on it, so we're gonna put the big wheels go on the back, and the small wheels go on the front. Jenna, are you done with yours? You're adding the engine?
Yep.
Is it easy to get the wheels on, Riley?
Yes. Wait. Come right here. There you go. Then.
What you doing, Jonah? Making modifications? Ooh, it looks good.
Works. Works. Someone's going past the
Alright, is it ready?
You killed the horse.
Oh, you gotta put your
Pa!
missiles, those missiles.
Spider-Man shoot. I know, it's okay. It's fine. Papa, give me.
You get them put together?
Yeah. Not quite.
Yeah, y'all like them? Were they hard to put together?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yeah?
Not really, sort of.
Not really? Sort of?
Kind of.